discuss some challenged molality numerical problems. Can you solve them? Clear? These are two types of numerical problems. Try yourself. Can you solve it? Clear? The number one numerical problem is that a decimolal solution having mass of solvent is 1.5 kilogram. Find the mass of solute. This is the numerical problem number one with respect to molarity. And the second question is that if the centimolar solution have mass of solvent X is 2 kilogram and the mass of solute is 200 gram, find molar mass. Find molar mass. क्लियर है? सो हम ट्राई करते हैं यहाँ पर वो क्या कहते हैं a centimolar solution having mass of solvent X is 2 mass of solvent X 2 kilogram and mass of solute 200. Find the molar mass. Can you solve it? So we try to solve it. Clear? Clear? There is also a lecture about molarity, which is known as challenge numerical problems with respect to molarity. Now we will study about challenge molality numerical problems. Clear? So the first lecture about molality is already present. Clear? You can find my previous lecture by typing in YouTube molality lecture learning group RF molality. So clear? So you can find it also. So now here centimolar, here centi means clear? Centimolar means molarity of the solution is centi means centimolar means centi means 10 raised to the power minus 1 and molar means molality. So centimolar means molality by 10. Molality by 10 means, so we can write it as centimolar 1 by 10 molar. Clear? Centi means 1 by 10 molar. Here centimolar solution means a solution whose molality is 1 by 10 molar. Clear? So again, have mass of solvent is equal to 2 kilogram and mass of solute is is equal to 200 gram, which is equal to 210 raised to the power minus 3 kilogram. It is a mass of solute. And solute, find molar mass. Clear? The question is that a solution having molality 1 by 10 molar and mass of solvent is 2 kilogram. Mass of solvent is 2 kilogram. Mass of solute is 210 raised to the power minus 3 kilogram. Find molar mass. Clear? So we can write it as molality is actually equal to number of moles of solute dissolved in kilogram of solvent. So here you can see the molality of the solution is 1 by 10, which is equal to number of moles is equal to mass can you see here? Mass divided by molar mass. Molar mass means molecular mass. Clear? I have used the word molar mass to show molecular mass. Divided by kilogram. Kilogram of solvent. So 2 kilogram of solvent is present here. Clear? So now I can write it as 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10 is equal to mass divided by molar mass or molecular mass multiplied by 2. Clear? So now can I write it as by cross multiplication? By cross multiplication you can see here 10 m is equal to 10 m is equal to what? Molar mass multiplied by 2. Here 10 and mass of it is a mass absolute. Mass absolute. Okay. So mass absolute is actually 210 raised to the power minus 3 kilogram. Or we can write it as 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 0.2 kilogram. Clear? It is equal to 0.2 kilogram. So 0.2 kilogram. Clear? Okay. So it is a molar mass multiplied by 2. So we divide both side by 2. So divide this side by 2 and also this side by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 2 and 2 5, which is equal to 10 and 5 10. 1 by 2 kilogram is actually molar mass. Clear? So the question was that a centimolar solution have a mass of solvent X, mass of solvent, mass of centimolar solution. Having mass of solvent is that and mass of solute is that, find molar mass. Clear? So we know that molality is equal to molality. Sometimes I use molarity, but molality is equal to number of moles of solute in kilogram of solvent. So molality is 1 by 10. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass divided by kilogram of solvent. So we can write it as, clear? So by cross multiplication we can write it as, and so now both sides will be divided by 2 and the answer is molar mass. So this is just like a hypothetical question. Clear? It is just like sample question. It is just like a sample. Clear? So such type of question can be solved by this method. An examiner can ask from you such type of question where you will find the molar mass. Clear? So I am not sure that this about such molecule having molar mass 1 kilogram. Clear? So molar mass. Clear? So if now I convert it into gram, because we are saying the molar mass of molecule in grams, so it can be 1000 gram. Clear? Will be equal to molar mass. Clear? So by this method you can find the molar mass of any molecule. It is a very important type of numerical problem, advanced numerical problem, and I hope that you cannot find such type of advanced numerical problems anywhere. Clear? So very conceptual. So go ahead and note down it. Clear? Okay. I'm checking. Clear? Okay. Clear. So now we go ahead and write and solve the other type of question, the upward question. So see the upward question and try to solve it. So the upper question say about say as that a decimolar solution. Here the molarity is equal to deci. Deci stands for 10 raised to the power minus 1. Deci stands for 10 raised to the power minus 1. In the previous lecture question to which we have resolved, I forgot, but you should know deci. Deci means 10 raised to the power minus 1. Centi means 10 raised to the power minus 2. Clear? If I have wrote in the previous question to which I have solved now, if the question was that the centimolar solution, then put 10 raised to the power minus 2 instead of 10 raised to the power minus 10. Clear? Okay. So a decimolar solution having mass of solvent, here the molality, here the molality is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Clear? Here the molality is equal to 1 by 10. Okay. A decimolar solution having mass of solvent is 1.5 kilogram. Clear? Find the mass of solute. Mass of solute. Find the mass of solute. Clear? A decimolar solution having mass of solvent is 1.5 kilogram. Find the mass of solute. ओके सो देखें, हमने जो इससे पहले क्वेश्चन हल किया वहाँ पर मैंने कंसंट्रेट नहीं दी कि डिसीमोल लिखा था या सेंटीमोल लिखा था। वहाँ पर मैंने अगर वहाँ पर मैंने सेंटीमोल लिखा है तो वहाँ पर आप मोलैलिटी सेंटी के लिए 1/100 लिख ले। क्लियर? अगर वहाँ पर लफ्ज़ सेंटी का इस्तेमाल हुआ था तो वहाँ पर आप लफ्ज़ 10 इस तरह लिख ले, मोलैलिटी 1/100 होगी क्योंकि आप सेंटी की वैल्यू जाते हैं। यहाँ पर क्या है, डीसी है। क्लियर है? तो 1/10 लिखेंगे। ओके, सो हेयर the decimolar solution, decimol means a solution whose molality is 1/10 having mass of solvent is 1.5 kilogram. Find mass of solute. Clear? So now we go ahead. Molality is equal to mass of number of moles in kilogram of solvent. Clear? So here the molality is 1/10 which is equal to mass of solute. Okay, we will find mass of solute, but here we put the value of n. Mass of solute divided by mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. What? Molar mass divided by kilogram of solvent. So we suppose that the solute is now a decimolar solution having mass of solvent is that, and find the mass of solute if the solute is for example NH3. For example, the solute is NH3. Clear? So 1/10 is equal to mass of solute. Now we will find mass of solute. Clear? Divided by molar mass of NH3 3 plus 14 is equal to 17 divided by, clear, 17 divided by kilogram of solvent 1.5 kilogram. Clear? So see here 1/10 molar solution is equal to, we can write it as mass of solute divided by 17 multiplied by 1.5. Clear? So see here I want to remove it. Now 1.7 multiplied by 15, 5 7 35, 5 1 5 जमा 3 8, क्लियर, 5 7 35, 5 के 5 6 7 8, 1 7 1 1 5 15 and 2 2 5 5. 1 by 10 is equal to mass absolute divided by 2 5 5. 2 5 5. Okay, so 2 5 5, see here it is in gram while it is in kilogram. So now we will write it 10 raised to power 3 grams, it is in grams while it in grams, clear. Okay, so 10 raised to the power 3 grams. So by cross multiplication, mass absolute is equal to mass absolute multiplied by 10 by cross multiplication, which is equal to 2 5 5 10 raised to the power 3 grams, clear. So divide both side by 10 and by 10, ये और ये कैंसिल, यहाँ पर 2 रह जाएगा. सो मास ऑफ सल्यूट इज इक्वल टू 25500 gram, clear. So the question was that a decimolar solution, a solution whose molarity is 1 by 10, having mass of solvent is 1.5 kilogram, mass of solvent is equal to 1.5 kilogram. Find the mass of solute. So we know that molality is equal to molality is equal to number of mole in kilogram of solvent. So now we will calculate about the mass of solute. So number of mole is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute and kilogram of solvent. So now we write mass of solute here. So mass, now we will find mass of solute, but molar mass of the solute is 17, molar mass 17, and this is a kilogram. Now we convert it into grams, clear. So by multiplication, by cross multiplication, mass of solute is that, clear. Very very important and very conceptual. Write it. I am seeing and checking. Okay, clear. So go ahead, and I want to erase it, clear. Okay, so the second type of question to which I want to share with you is that, now be attentive. The question is that centimolar solution, note down, centimolar solution of NH3, if, clear, if mass of solvent is 2 kilogram, its mass of solvent is 2 kilogram. So we have already solved it. The next question, if molar solution have mass of solute is 200 gram and mass of solvent is 4 gram, find molar mass. So we have already solved such type of question. Can you solve it? A centimolar solution of NH3, a centimolar solution of NH3, if mass of solvent is 2 kilogram, mass of solvent is 2 kilogram, then arrange such type of data and find different types of factors. Suppose you can see here molality is equal to mass, or molality is equal to number of moles in kilogram of solvent. So examiner can ask different type of question. Sometimes they can ask about the molality of the solution. Sometimes they can ask about the moles of the solute, clear. Sometimes they can ask about mass of solvent. Clear? For example, the question is that this is a solution whose molality is 2 moles per kilogram. Okay, 2 moles per kilogram. Clear? And 2 moles per kilogram, and number of moles moles is equal to, for example, we suppose the value 3 moles or 4 moles. Clear? Find mass of solvent. Suppose we have put temporary values. Clear? So you know, find mass of solvent. We know that molality is equal to number of moles of solute in kilogram of solvent. Clear? So molality is 2, which is equal to number of moles is equal to 4, and kilogram, and now we will find mass of solvent. So by cross multiplication, 4 is equal to 2 into mass of solvent, divide both side by 2, 2 and 2 cancel, 2, so mass of solvent is equal to 2. Clear? So this is a type of numerical problem to which you will face in any exam. Clear? You can face in any exam. So sometimes they can ask about molality, sometimes they can ask about number of moles of solute, and sometimes they can ask about mass of solvent. So you also know that sometimes they can also ask about mass of solute, and sometimes they can ask about molar mass of solute. Clear? Sometimes they can ask about density of solution. Clear? And sometimes they can ask about volume of solution. Clear? So these all are very important. Clear? Write different forms of the molality equation and write different type of numerical problems for you, and try to solve it. It is very beneficial for you. For example, in the first question, clear, the question is that molarity is that they give the value of molality and kilogram of solvent and molar mass, and the question is that mass of solute. Another question, molarity, they give molality, number of moles, and now we will find the mass of solvent. Second question, they give the molality, kilogram of solvent, and molar mass of solvent. Now we will find mass of solute. Clear? Sometimes they can ask about the density. The question is that the molarity of solution is that, number of moles is that, and mass of solvent is that. Clear? If the volume of solution is that, find the density. If the density of the solution is that, find volume. So there are different type of questions to which you can solve. Clear? So now try and write different type of question for yourself. Clear? And study deeply and broadly. So note down and act upon all my advice and guidelines, and if you want to attempt such type of beneficial question and see and watch such type of beneficial lectures, subscribe the channel. Clear? For what purpose? Subscription is for the purpose of notification. It is the way on the basis of which I can inform you. Clear? So if you subscribe the channel, and also click on all notification bell icon. So in this way I can inform you, all of you, that I have brought some beneficial content for you. So goodbye.